Inhale here. We exhale for peaceful warrior. Inhaling peaceful warrior. As we exhale, we're going to reach the hands all the way forwards, turning the toes to face the side of the mat, coming to reach in a side sort of lunge here, and then coming all the way back to the front of the mat, reaching up and over, peaceful warrior. Inhale here. Exhale once again, reaching towards the back of the mat, maybe going a little lower this time, going towards our skandasana. And then coming all the way back, peaceful warrior. So next, exhale once again, reaching the hands all the way down and back. Inhale here. As you exhale, plant the right hand on the mat. We're coming to our easy twist, back of the mat. Inhaling here. Exhaling, both hands come down to frame the front foot or the left foot. We're tucking right toes as you're sending the left leg all the way back, three-legged dog. Inhaling here. Exhaling, big step forward. Left foot comes in between the two hands. We're coming all the way back, high lunge. Inhaling here. So we next exhale, palms, knee come down through heart center. We're going to step, the right knee comes into our center. We're facing the back of the mat, one-legged Tadasana. Inhaling here. Exhaling, cross the right knee in front of the left. We're reaching hands all the way up. And then exhaling, left hand comes down. We reach the right hand towards the side. Inhaling here. Exhaling, come back through center. Both hands come to meet above our heads. Moving back to that one-legged Tadasana. And as we exhale, we're going to slowly send the right leg back, coming to our half moon. Ardha Chandrasana, opening up towards the left side of the mat. Right leg is nice and active. Inhale here. As you exhale, big step back, warrior two. Facing the back of the mat, take an inhale. As you exhale, peaceful warrior once again. Inhaling and exhaling, cartwheel, the hands come down towards the mat. Left hand reaches all the way up, easy twist. Inhaling here. As you exhale, heel toe, left foot sits in front of the hips, turning your body to face the right side of the mat. We're in our side cobra. Inhale as you exhale to lower the hips, reaching your left hand towards your right foot. And then turning, we're facing the front of the mat, wrapping your right hand around your left. We're looking over the left shoulder. Inhaling here. As you exhale, slowly release, grabbing a hold